How to convert friends to followers on Facebook. If any day you have a Facebook account and you would like to convert your friends to followers on Facebook but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Facebook application on your mobile device. You can tap on Facebook like this, and Facebook will be launched on your mobile device. After Facebook is launched on your mobile device, now you have to go to your profile like icon on the top. And after you tap on your profile like icon on the top, now you have to follow the next steps. That is, you have to go to the option of settings and privacy. After you tap on settings and privacy, now you have to go to the next option, that is on settings, and tap on settings like this. Now after you tap on settings like this, now you have to just scroll down, and after you scroll down, now what you can do is you can convert your very page or very of your profile on the Facebook to their page. And after you just convert your very Facebook there onto the page, what may happen is that your very friends will be converted into followers on Facebook. So this is the way on how you can convert your friends to the followers on Facebook. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.